Hello guys, it's Emmanuel Sulai here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the ProfitSniperX. As you can see, I'm inside my dashboard, but before I begin to take you around the dashboard to show you how it works, let me just quickly take you to the sales page, so I'll just speak about it. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the product. It's the world's first viral traffic and profit funnel app. And you can get free viral traffic and done-for-you funnels that will get you unlimited leads, sales, and commissions on demand using this product. Okay, it's a product which is created by Glynn, and you can get multiple streams of income and affiliate commissions 24 hours, 7 days a week. Okay, you can get 100. You will get 100 done-for-you campaigns and profit pages included inside this software. And once you set it up, you don't need to do any maintenance forever, and that's the smartest system ever. It works on autopilot for you. Even if you're a beginner, you don't have any experience, this software is for you. You have free traffic, apps, and training included inside this software. Okay, and you can grow your buyer list massively and faster than before. Guess what? Once you grab this software today or during this launch product, you are going to get agency rights. Like, you don't need to purchase them separately. And at any point, if you want to purchase the software, you can just click the link below this video in the description box below, and you're going to get access to my top-notch bonuses, which I'll show you in just a second. So this is how the software looks. With 3 easy steps, you can constantly grow your buyer list and get automated commissions 24/7. Now, step number 1, you just grab your copy of the ProfitSniperX before the price increases. As you can see at the top here, every hour, once this countdown comes to 0, the price increases. So it's better you go and grab your copy immediately. Okay, so step number 2 is to activate your done-for-you campaigns. You just log into the software, and then you activate your done-for-you campaign, and you enter your affiliate links, so that when people go to the front end, they are going to purchase through your affiliate links. Now, the step number 3 is just to profit and scale. Okay, now this software will allow you to live the laptop lifestyle that you have been dreaming about. This software has traffic built in. It's an all-inclusive profit method. Okay, this software, guys, is just something I've never seen before, honestly. Okay, now the software, people have been getting results with it. As you can see here, just today somebody had gotten $1,095, and yesterday he got $4,332 using this same software. Look at it this way, guys. You can see here, this is commissions which the person got in this month of June using this software. Look at it. He has been getting commissions from this software. Okay, so that's to show you how powerful this software is. Now, losing in the online marketing network is something that a lot of people do, but the gurus, that's the 7-figure earners, do not used to tell the people. That's everyone else. The gurus don't tell everyone else how they make their big ticket sales and generate their leads and get more people into their funnels. Why don't they do that? Okay, it's because they just simply want to be profiting alone. Guess what? Every funnel that people do out there, it leaks in some way. But the gurus have discovered that, so they look for a way to block these loopholes where the traffic is leaking. Any funnel that traffic gets or pass through it, you know, some of it converts into leads and profits, while some of it gets lost. What I mean is, if this is your offer page, not everyone who comes to this page would buy your product. Okay, so but this system, it proves that psych otherwise, because it has additional conversion tools which you can use to attract these people back into the funnel, like magnet them back into the funnel. Okay, so Said these gurus, they build their list faster and make higher profit from the same traffic, just unlike every other person. For every other person out there running campaigns, so to these guys, it's literally impossible to scale up their campaigns and their incomes, and they have the chance of losing. It triples. Okay, so let me just quickly go into the profit sniper dashboard and show you how this works. So once you're in the dashboard, this is the welcome video. It introduces you and gives you an overview of what this software is about. Okay, so this is the section where you get the training. If you click here, it takes you to all the training sessions of the software. You're going to learn how you're going to set up your affiliate links, how you're going to set up your autoresponder, and how you're even going to triple your commissions using other built-in functions in this software. Okay, so let's just wait while it loads. So guys, this is the training section of the software, and if you scroll down, the first video here shows you how you're going to set up your campaigns, and it's the most important video in this training section. Okay, so it shows you, it takes you step by step and shows you how you're going to set up your campaign. Now the second one shows you how you connect your autoresponder. The third one shows you how you're going to create your promo page GIF icons. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Okay, and you can see the other one shows you how to add products to the download page, and the next one shows you how to add additional affiliate products to the download page. Now if you picked any of the upgrades, I was speaking about the conversion tools, the boosting tools. So when you pick any upgrade, you're going to get this unlocked in your dashboard, and you can see other videos here as well. Some of them show you how to get more traffic, some of them show you how to get more profit. Okay, so let me just quickly go and create a campaign. Okay, before I go and create a campaign, the first thing you need to do after watching the training, the first training, is to go and insert your autoresponder. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, as I said, is just to come here into the autoresponder section and make sure that you connect your autoresponder. One of the training videos shows you exactly how you're going to get the API from your autoresponder, and then it shows you how you're going to also integrate it here. So basically, with whichever autoresponder service you're using, is it Aweber, is it GetResponse, MailChimp, whichever, you just come in here. Let's say it's ConvertKit. You click connect, and then you put in the API key, and you also put in your API secret and click connect. That's it. So now let's go back to create our first campaign. So guys, the first thing I'll do is to come into campaigns, and I'm brought in here. Well, so you can see the campaigns that I have created, a lot of them. So I'll just click on create, and I'll be taken to the next page where I will put in my information. Guys, this is the simplest system I've ever seen. Okay, you can just click the link in the description to grab your copy of this wonderful software. So while I'm here, I'll type in the campaign name I want. I'll just give it my first campaign. Okay, so I'll scroll down and click load Optin page template. Boom. So we can see a lot of templates here. I'll just select this one. Okay, you can see when I just clicked it, it loaded it in here. And anytime you're not okay, you can go and reselect another template there. So you can, once you have this, you can change anything you want. Maybe you want a free, ready-to-go online business with the proven potential to, we can decide to say, earn over $4,000 per month, and like that. So once you're done, you click clone Optin campaign. So it's successfully cloned, and what this means is this: we are going to be testing, the software has an AI which works behind the scenes to be testing your campaigns to see which one of them performs better than the other. So we can decide to say, okay, want in on a training, a free training that teaches that teaches how to earn over 4,000 per month, something like that. So you come to settings, choose your autoresponder. Remember I showed you how to do that, how to link your autoresponder. So these are the autoresponders that the system has inbuilt. So you select, let's say however, and then you select the list, the name of the list inside the however which you want to be sending this to. Let's say this one, and then you paste your promo code URL. That will be done later. This is the Optin page, but Optin button text. You can just say click here now. Okay, so your affiliate link, the link where you want to be sending the traffic to, you're going to put it in here. And then the GIF. For these GIFs, we have a lot of them, and for people who pick up any of the upgrades, I mean a particular upgrade, you're going to access these GIFs here under conversion tools. So we are going to just pick maybe this one, and then okay, the download page CTA. Do you want my number one recommendation? So you give it a headline, whichever headline you choose. So I'm going to put this headline here, I mean subheading. So you can say watch the training, or watch now, watch the video. Okay, video, sorry guys, so I am just fast in the typing and missing a lot of things. So as I said, this conversion tools has a lot of advanced features, but for the basic front end you're not going to get that. So if you've created an exit pop-up in the conversion tools, you're going to access it here. And your social proof, if you've created any, you can access it here. So I'm not going to do that. Now here you're going to pick the bonus that will be delivered today. People who subscribe, and you can see there are a lot of them here. You choose any of them. Let me just choose work at home, and then affiliate products. You're going to select the 2 or more affiliate products which you want the people, the customers to see on the landing page, I mean the thank you page. So I'm just going to select maybe affiliate bots, and let's see, I'll just select okay, let me just select this too. You should be good with that. So your Facebook pixel, you're going to put it in here, and basically all this other stuff you might need them except if you do. So click save all edits. Okay, now it's saved. Guys, let me show you how powerful this is. Okay, so I'm brought here after. You can see your campaign has been successfully saved, and it's here. I can just click this view Optin page and I'll see it there. So you can see that our page looks very wonderful. And next, what we're going to do, this is the promo page. We can click and view the promo page. Okay, the GIF I selected, can you see it here? You can select any other one. Your guide is on its way. Please allow 15 minutes for it to arrive. In the meantime, check out this video. This is not a video, guys. This is the GIF I was telling you about. And once they click it, boom, they will be taken to your affiliate page. Okay, now let's come back to the thank you page. This is the download page, as you can see. When they click the download page, they'll be brought here. Your guide can be found right here. To download your guide, click this link, and then, do you want my number one recommendation to make money? Take advantage of this carefully selected training that we know you're going to love. Okay, so guess what? Those 2 affiliate products that I selected, can you see them here? Now when these guys click on any of these, I am going to get commissions. Okay, this is affiliate bots in 12 minutes affiliate system. So this system is very powerful, guys. And let me just quickly go to my bonuses. Okay, so when you click the link in the description below, you'll be taken to this page. This is my bonus page. I have several exclusive bonuses for you. Okay, so let me just scroll down to my bonuses. The first bonus I'm going to give you is a system that helps you, like done for you email campaigns, which is worth $197. You know, once you build your list, you need the emails that you're going to be sending to this list. So I'm going to give you a lot of email done for you emails, the headlines and the emails themselves, which have been proven to convert a lot. Now my bonus number 2, I'm going to give you exclusive access to an unorthodox method which I have been using to promote affiliate links on major social media platforms without getting banned. You know, you cannot dare to post your affiliate link on places like Facebook or Twitter or whatever. You need a system that allows you to post directly there. So I'm going to give you this as a bonus as well. It's worth $297. Now the third bonus I have here, guys, is for those who would purchase any of the OTOs. It can be OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, or whichever. But once you purchase it, I'm going to give you exclusive access to our software which builds your email list on complete autopilot without landing page or a website. How cool is that? Now this bonus is worth $197. You also get access to 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information products that were put together by Glynn and his team, and each of these products details a variety of training generation methods. So this bonus alone is worth $2,997. As you can see, everything you're getting is over $3,600 worth just as bonuses for purchasing this. And guess what? Even if you decide at the end of the day that you don't need this software, you can keep the bonuses as my free gift for you for wasting your time. Okay, so these are the OTOs and upgrades. The first one is the unlimited version. You're not going to have any limits on this software whatsoever. Then the OTO 2, you're going to get 100% done for you system. That's Glynn and his team are going to make this system. They will do it everything for you. It's $97. And OTO 3 is unlimited traffic. You're going to get more traffic than just the people with the front end. OTO 4 is a system. They're going to show you how you're going to get 30,000 in 30 days. Okay, so the OTO 5 is a super affiliate version. You're going to get 97 for $97. You're going to get the super affiliate version of this software. And OTO 6, you get the license rights to this software. You can decide to resell it. And the OTO 7, you're going to get auto profit boost. So click any of these links anyway before my timer runs out, and you're going to get instant access to this my bonuses once you purchase this. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you on the inside. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel to see more of these review videos. Peace out.